Highly contagious eye infection, and this week it's even taken Bob Costas off coverage of the Olympics. Medical reporter Liz Bonis explains what all of us need to know about pink eye in today's Medical Edge.
Bob Costas will miss broadcasting from the Olympics for the first time in 157 straight Olympic nights because apparently pink eye has spread from one eye to the other. Dr. Michelle Howell is an optometrist who has treated plenty of patients with pink eye, or conjunctivitis as it's also known.
It is actually a viral infection, highly contagious. It makes your eye red, swollen, and tearing. There's no actual mucus discharge or anything. If you have that, then it's bacterial, it's not viral.
While no one has confirmed what kind Costas has, Dr. Howell says, like any virus, it usually has to run its course. And the fact that it spread from one eye to the other?
That's actually very normal. It usually starts in one eye and transfers easily to the other because when you lay on your pillow or wash your face, everything is easily transferred from one eye to the other. So usually it starts in one, goes to the other, and it's about 14 days before it's totally gone.
Really?
Yes.
So now, is there a point where you're not contagious anymore, but it still looks bad?
Usually that's at about a week.
A trip to the pharmacy might be needed for artificial tears or steroid drops for those with viral conjunctivitis. They just ease the symptoms. Antibiotics, however, are needed if you have the bacterial kind.
So here's what you need to know. If you think you are getting pink eye, or you've been exposed to someone in close contact or right around you that has had pink eye, remember that's why we stress the importance of hand washing. But in addition to that, while you may initially need to get in to see your primary care doctor or even an urgent care physician, you also need to remember that an eye doctor, if you get pink eye, is a very important member of your healthcare team.
Dr. Howell says that's because an eye specialist has equipment such as the kind you see here that allows for a dye in the eye and magnification to be sure you get a proper diagnosis. It may or may not be pink eye.
So if there's any scratches, ulcers, things like that, you can see them very easily because they glow a different color.
It is suggested you don't go more than about 24 hours without seeing an eye care professional if you think you might have pink eye. At Tolman Sutton Eye Care in Fort Mitchell, Liz Bonis, Local 12 News.